everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna plan in my classic happy planner. That is not happy planner pages. These are pages of my own creation. Because I was franken planning or whatever it is they call it. But then I would only look at whatever page that was on. So if that was like, okay, we got cleaning in this section, then we were doing all cleaning. Which, like, I guess might be good because then you're, like, focused on one thing at a time. But also, sometimes, like, you gotta remember that you got an appointment at 10 o'clock and you need to stop cleaning. So, that is why I got everything on one page. So we have a cleaning schedule that I have not stuck to for about 2 months, but that's okay. And homeschooling, which we started back August 1st. So I already have that written in for next week. And then just routine stuff that happens every day, or ideally would happen every day. Especially this one does not usually happen every day, but we would like it to. So we write it down for every day. Okay, also, I just decided, hey, it's time to get back into these. So that is why it's not prepared. I am not prepared at all because I just was like, yeah, let's do it. So if I seem like I don't know what's going on, it's because I don't know what's going on. But we're going to plan with stickers, I guess, these days. And as you can see, this is next week, so I am not that far ahead of schedule. So we can look and see if there's anything I need to write down maybe while we're planning. And I might not share it with you guys anyway, but I can decorate around stuff. So like if I know I have a lot going on or a little or etc. Okay, another reason I haven't done videos, just besides like getting overwhelmed with the editing process, is that these are kind of just like more full, I guess. And my decorating seemed to have gotten repetitive, so that makes it less fun, I guess. I need a routine, but also I don't want a routine, so that's great. I used a lot of these stickers last week, so I think I'm going to use the other sticker book like that and just see what we do. Okay, I almost used up this sheet out of that. I'm really into trying to use up sticker books because I have a lot. But so I just pulled out one, and that's why I use this sticker book, because all the stickers on one page are kind of a theme. So if we have done that, then they all kind of match, you know? So with that, where did the other sticker book go? I try and go through, this is my Planner Basics sticker book, and it is falling apart. So just go back through and find some stickers to like accentuate it, and because I don't really, it's really hard to like make a spread out of these stickers, but like the way we're going to use them up is by going along with those ones. But I am not feeling this sticker book this time, so we might just put it away and be like, come back out a different time. It is like uninspiring. And I like to use it, but I don't have to use it. Because they're my stickers. I'm trying to also use like, I made it yellow and brown for August because like school's starting, so like fall is starting, even though fall is not starting like weather-wise for a while, but that was my thought process. Also, if you guys have any like questions or like problems planning, things that like normally get you stuck, like do you just stop planning? What parts of that do you not like to do? Questions about like making your own planner, or anything that you'd like to see, just like making pieces inside the planner, what sort of things I plan, how I plan my week, whatever, any questions that you have related to planning, just let me know. normally I'm like I skipped. I was like, okay, we did fancy florals, but I feel like this florals manga sticker book might be where we like spend the rest of our time because I like it. Okay, I feel like this one might have went a little overboard, but I don't know. It's not horrible. I like it. I don't know if I love it because it seems like a lot happening. But I just kept going. I did use up one whole sticker sheet. I feel like you can kind of tell, but I like the flowers. Oh, and I guess that's Sunday, so that's the end of this week. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I already had Tuesday decorated, or Monday decorated, if you're wondering why the week starts on Tuesday. What else we got? Like, subscribe, notification bell, comments, questions, concerns. Yeah, and I will hopefully see you guys next week. Thanks.